Do you have a headache?
Yes, I do.
And a low back that's locked up?
Just a little bit. I haven't been here for a little bit.
It has been a while.
Yeah.
And bring your leg up that way. Back's right here. Take a deep breath. And out. Right there. I feel okay?
Yeah.
Good. That moved really good. And out. Awesome. Maybe scoot forward on the table just a little bit. How about there? So let those arms fall all the way down to the ground for me. Good. And out. There it was.
There we go.
That was a lot. Okay. Let's have you flip around and we're right there. And then a little higher on the right side. Right back. Hey, here we go. Everything's moving. Good. There we go.
Perfect.